Good morning. My name is Dr. Payal Ghosh, and today I'm going to discuss human memory. The first topic that I will discuss today is nature of memory. Before discussing the concept or nature of memory, let me ask you some question. Can you tell me how can we sing a song that we have listened few days back? Or how can we narrate our experience of a place that we have visited in the last summer? Or how can we write answers of questions during exam, the answers which we have studied throughout the year? Or how can we say that which day is Independent Day, which day is Republic Day? Answer to all of these questions point out to a fact that our brain has a sophisticated ability to store the informations that we have encountered and to reproduce the information, to recall the information, or to use the information when we need. This sophisticated mechanism is known as memory. Now I'll discuss two definitions of memory. The first definition of memory was given by Matlin. According to this definition, memory means the way we retain or keep the information. So let me give you one example. Suppose I have visited a place, and when I have to narrate my experiences, I can narrate those experiences. I can narrate my experiences of that place because I have kept the information in my mind. So this process is called memory. Another definition of memory was given by Sternberg in 1999. According to this definition, memory means the way we use our past experience to do something in present. Let me give you another example. Suppose I know how to order food online. I did that before, and I'm using that past experience, the previous experience, to do the similar kind of task in present. So this is memory. I have stored the information and I'm using that information to do the similar kind of work. So this is memory. Memory involves three interrelated stages. The stages are encoding, storage, and retrieval. The stages are related to each other. The first stage is encoding. So to store the information, we need to encode the information. We need to register the information. The encoding is a process by which we register the information that we receive from the environment. Now, how we register the information? We register the information through our sense organ. Like we can register the information visually in form of images. We can register information auditorily in terms of sound. Likewise. So we also present the information in a way so that we can use the information in future. After encoding the information, after registering the information, next we need to store the information so that we can use the information after certain period of time. So the next stage is storage. Storage is the process by which we retain the information in our brain. After storing, the next stage is retrieval. Retrieval means whenever we need to bring back the information to and use the information. So that is the retrieval part. So we can understand these three stages, three interrelated stages with an example. Suppose I have visited a place in the last summer. So I have encoded registered informations about that place, about about the experiences through my sense organ. So that is the encoding phase. So मैंने क्या देखा, मैंने कैसा फील किया, मुझे क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, मैं सब कुछ एनकोड करती हूँ, रजिस्टर करती हूँ सेंस ऑर्गन से, अपना विजन से, हेयरिंग से, टच से रजिस्टर करती हूँ. सो दैट इज एनकोडिंग. सो मैंने जो एक्सपीरियंस एनकोड किया, मैंने वो एक्सपीरियंस अभी स्टोर कर रही हूँ, मैं उसको अपनी स्टोरेज में रख रही हूँ ताकि मैं बाद में उसको याद कर पाऊँ. So whatever I have encountered there in that place, I have stored that information. Now, if someone asks me to narrate my experience of that place, I can use the information that is stored in the storage system, and I can narrate the experience. So what I am doing here exactly? So I am retrieving the information from the storage, and I am using that information to narrate my experience. So these three stages are interrelated: encoding, storage, and retrieval. If I don't encode properly, I cannot store the information. If I don't store the information properly, I cannot retrieve the information in future. So we can explain forgetting with these stages. we forget many things. Why? Because maybe we didn't encode the information properly, or maybe we failed to store the information properly, or maybe we are not able to retrieve the information, like bring back the information from the storage properly. Let me explain it with an example. Suppose I'm not able to remember answers of many questions during exam, maybe because I have not encoded the answers properly. So पढ़ाई के टाइम में ठीक तरह से मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन को इनकोड नहीं किया, रजिस्टर नहीं किया, मैंने अटेंशन नहीं दिया, इसलिए शायद मेरा मैं भूल जा रही हूँ आंसर को. ऐसा भी हो सकता है मैंने जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको ठीक से रिहर्स नहीं किया, ठीक से प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, इसलिए इन्फॉर्मेशन ठीक से स्टोर नहीं हुआ मेरे स्टोरेज में, इसलिए मुझे आंसर याद नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको मैंने रिट्राइव नहीं किया, मेरे स्टोरेज से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको मैंने ठीक से रिट्राइव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, इसलिए मेरा फॉरगेटिंग हो रहा है, मैं भूल जा रही हूँ. सो दिस थ्री स्टेजेस आर वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट इन मेमोरी.